Hey, welcome everybody to my online tutorial. Not an ideal way to teach Microsoft Word, but it's the best we can do under the current circumstances. I hope everybody is keeping well. Okay, so I have set you an assignment which will have been sent out to you by email or in hard copy. And hopefully you will have been able to get this and also access this video. So in order to use Microsoft 365 in order to complete your assignment, simply go to lmetb.ie. We've practiced this in class. This is just a revision tutorial. And click on staff email. When you click on that, you're going to be asked to put in your @lmetb email address, okay, and password. If anybody is missing it, please email me at lgilligan@lmetb.ie. That's lgilligan@lmetb.ie, and I'll be able to send you on your password and your login address, okay. So simply enter in your email address, and then it will prompt you for your password. Mine is automatic because it's my home computer, but type in your password. When you get into the system, as we've done in class, you'll come into your email section. In order to access Microsoft Word, in order to complete the assignment, simply go up to the tiles and select Word, okay? When you come to Microsoft Word online, it will look slightly different to the one that we use in class because it's a scaled down version, okay? What you do is just click on New Blank Document. Okay, the assignment is asking you to type out a news report on the coronavirus and then to edit it. Okay, so simply to get started, you just start typing. So this is a news report about coronavirus. Okay, and you'll keep on typing out as the assignment asks you to do. Now, it is asking you to save your work, okay? So you're going to say, and it's asking you to save your work as coronavirus, okay? So in order to save your work as coronavirus, you just simply come up here and type in coronavirus. Okay, and that is saving your work automatically, okay? So in the assignment, okay, it's asking you to select text. That happens the same way we always have. Either go to the start or the end, with your mouse and drag, okay, and that will select your line or select your paragraph, okay. To change the color, simply on the home menu, it looks slightly different, but it is the same. You'll just simply select whatever color you want to select to change the color of the text, okay. If it's asking you to align, simply go up to text alignment, and here you've got left, center, and right align, okay. If it's asking you about line spacing, simply click on this, which is more options, and go to line spacing and set the line spacing, whatever the assignment has asked you to do. Copy and cut works the same as it has done in class. Simply select what you would like to copy or cut, okay? And up here you see a few symbols. You've clipboard and clipboard painter, okay? You can also use your shortcut. So Control-C is for copy, Control-X is for cut, and Control-V is for paste, okay? In order to insert bullet points, literally just go up here, click on your bullet point, and type away. Get another bullet point, press enter. To get rid of the bullet point, press enter again, and you're back to no bullet point, okay? To insert a header, again, go to the insert menu for anything insert related, okay, and just simply select header and footer. Enter in whatever information it's asking you to enter in, your name and and the date there, but you can enter that in yourself, okay. You won't see it. That's just to be showing you. In the normal Microsoft Word, the minute you enter in a header, you see it, but you won't see it, but it will be there, okay. To insert a page break, again, just click on page break. To insert a table, simply go to table, select the number of columns and rows that you would like. When you select it, you will get an extra toolbar with all the options for inserting and deleting rows and columns. To insert a picture, simply select insert and picture, and it'll ask you from this device or from Bing. So if you want to insert it from a website, which is what it's asking you to do, you'll simply select Bing and type in. Plenty of pictures about coronavirus there because we are all inundated with it, okay, and you simply select whichever one you want and insert it into the image. Okay, so that is a very quick tutorial on how to complete the assignment. Again, remembering that all the time it's saving, and it's saving as whatever I've typed in here. Okay, so let's say I have completed my assignment. I'm happy it's saved, okay? When you are on the screen and you see your name over here, but not in a circle, okay? It is okay to close this screen. You will not lose your work, okay? So simply go up and close your work. When you get to a screen that has your initials in a circle, that is your mainframe screen. That's the screen that you access all the different apps from. That's the screen that you will use to log out. However, in this instance, I want to check where my work is. So I will go over to the tiles and I will click on OneDrive. And we've done OneDrive in class. You'll see now I have many files. You won't have many files, so you should be able to see your coronavirus at the top of the list. However, because of all my filings, it's down the bottom. You can see here is the document that I was working on. Okay, to open it, I just simply click on it and that'll open it and I can continue to work on it. However, if I want to send this, okay, simply click on it, okay, and go share. Okay, when you go share, it's asking you who you want to share it. Enter my email address, LGILLIGAN. Oh, I haven't spelled my own name right today. There we go. Louise Gilligan Tutor will drop up. Okay, and just press send. And what happens is that will share it with me. So I will be able to access my email and I will see the document that you've done and I'll be able to correct it from there. So that is how to use Microsoft Online. If you are using Microsoft on the computer, if you have a laptop and you have normal Microsoft Word, okay, so let's say I am in normal Microsoft Word and I have my exercise already typed up, okay, and I save it onto my desktop. So file, this is for people who have Microsoft Word on their laptop and want to use that one and not the one in the cloud. You'd simply save it. Okay, so I'm going to save a copy. I'm just going to put it onto the desktop. Go to Browse, select Desktop, and I'm just going to put this into Learning example. Okay. Saving that. Okay. That's saved to my desktop now. So what happens is once I've finished my assignment, I will go to my email. I will type new message. Type new message and I will type in, you type in my email address, which is L Gilligan, okay? And this time, instead of sharing it, which is what you do if you're staying in the cloud, you will attach it. So you simply go to attach, browse this computer, go to